Friend, this is Brother Les making another agricultural video, and today through one of the prayer networks I'm a part of called Give Him 15. He read a newsletter from another one I've been a part of for over 30 years called Intercessors for America, and it was a detailed explanation of why we may see very serious food shortages, especially in some other countries, but also affecting our country as well. So we've mentioned this before, but I just want to really encourage you. You can read or listen to those broadcasts at Give Him 15 for June 30th or Intercessors for America. So I just want to encourage you to take seriously growing your own food. Just a real brief update before I get to the main topic of my agriculture video today. I just wanted to show you what we've been doing with our playhouse garden. So this garden grew enough lettuces to supply the needs of our large family and having people over for months. We harvested it because it's too hot now in the summertime and it was going to seed. So we planted right there, the tallest area, those are bush beans, green beans, and then we have several rows of southern peas, pink-eyed peas to be exact, and we've harvested this. It will be growing peas later on as well. So again, legumes are going to be enhancing the nitrogen levels in the soil, making it, growing some legumes for us to eat, but also improving the soil for future fall planting. Well, follow me over here for our video, our main topic today, which is called Water Off Your Roof. So you can see our roof there is a metal roof. If you have a metal roof, then it's very possible you could be collecting water that you could purify and use, especially on your garden area, and to water with, and if you had to, even to wash up with. So you can see coming right off this roof there, and I didn't measure the exact dimensions of it, but that's one of our many roof areas for our house. I have two large barrels here. These are 55-gallon barrels, and you can see I have it covered with screens so mosquitoes can't get in there and lay their eggs. And this one here, it fills up first, and you can see it's connected with this, and it quickly fills that up. And it might really surprise you. I didn't take time to look up the actual exact facts, but I think it's something like a 1/4 inch of rain. If you have a large surface area on your roof, it can fill up this much water fairly quickly. It's pretty amazing, again, a large surface area from even not a real hard rain, how much water you can collect off your own roof. And I have other barrels here. I'm not using it, but I have other places I may use them. These blue ones, and these were just being thrown out by some neighbors, so I quickly collected them. These here I got from a local Coca-Cola plant, and of course you wouldn't want to use ones that had some deadly chemical in it, or Roundup or something like that. These had like a Coca-Cola syrup in it. Just they washed it out, and I got it for maybe $10. These others I got for free. I'll just show you one more section here. So you can see I've got another rain barrel right here, and another section of the roof, and it's filling up. And I have an overflow tube that will water bushes here, but periodically I do use it to water our gardens. And I did actually contact the EPA, the Water Quality Division of our state, and talk to a top official there, and I said, would it be safe for me to use that to water our garden? And he said yes. He didn't recommend doing it. Let's come around this way. Little background noise there, so we're going somewhere else. Now you can hear the chickens in the background, but anyway, so If you have a metal roof, then he said it was safe enough to use this water to water your garden. Now, could you drink it? I do have several water purification systems, and I may do a video on that in the future. I do know that when I visited older, like antebellum type homes, sometimes in their kitchen area, they would have a big above ground cistern that the water would come off the roof and it would collect water there that they could use in their kitchen area, and they had some kind of a carbon filtration system even way back, 150 years ago. And so I'll let you investigate that, whether you could filtrate it well enough that you could drink it from a metal roof. Now, the EPA water quality official it wasn't EPA, but with our state, he said he wouldn't recommend using a normal asphalt roof because of the petroleum residue that could come off of that. So I just wanted to mention this possibility. Even I have a workshop that has a metal roof, and I may put up a water collection container for that. But you can see this is quite a bit of water. This right here is over 100 gallons of water, and in a pinch, you could use it to obviously wash your hands, take a sponge bath, and so on. So it's amazing how much it can collect quickly. And I do have to clean these out periodically because they get algae on them. Hopefully the blue ones, I won't have that problem. So I just wanted to show you the possibility of collecting your own water. I know some people have actually dug out and put an underground water system, not necessarily a well, but a collection system that they collected maybe 1,000 gallons that they can use to water in some drier regions of the country. All right, hopefully that's helpful for you. Have a good afternoon.